Hello, my name is Akshay Veer. I completed my undergraduation in computer science. After that, I entered a training program in Python by ALTOS Technologies. Now I'm in a probation period. My last topic in the training was Django. After that, I completed a final project and then entered probation period. My experience about my training is really good because I got well experienced trainers for my training session and they give daily tasks about the topic they taken in the session. It really helped me to understand the topic, and there is always an inquiry from company side to ensure our training was taken well. I'm really happy about my training session from Altos Technologies, and I'm really happy about the part of Altos Technologies. Thank you.